पीछे। हाँ वो लाइट फेस पे नहीं आ रहा।
And you have just increased the temperature a lot more.
सामने सामने यहाँ।
Ladies and gentlemen, अगर
बिना माइक का, बिना माइक।
I think Palak is to be blamed for it. Is that correct?
अरे भाई चल पीछे।
अरे पीछे करो तुम लोग।
अरे भाई मागे होतास ना तू।
पलक एक बार पलक बिना माइक का।
Hello, good afternoon. I know it's super hot, but thank you so much for joining us back here. Let me try this. Let me see. Is it on?
मैं तो पीछे ही हूँ भाई।
आपका माइक दे दो।
All right, so we're going to share a mic until your mic arrives, okay? Perfect. Firstly, I just have to tell you. Okay, your mic is back on right there. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Hello, hello. Oh, firstly, a very good afternoon to you. Thank you so much for joining us back here.
Thank you for having me. I'm so excited to be here. My college is just like 1 feet away.
I was about to ask you, does this bring nostalgic moments for you back
This
again?
place is my childhood. I've grown up here in these streets of Juhu. So yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so I had recently seen your reel on the K-Bomb page as well, and you've actually tried their hot and spicy ramen. So on a scale of 0 to K-Bomb, how spicy is it?
K-Bomb, definitely.
K-Bomb?
Yeah,
Like
K-Bomb.
super. Did you have to drink water immediately after that, or could you like actually manage the spice?
अरे वीडियो है हमारा, खड़े
So
मत
we have a
रहो।
couple of our wonderful contest winners. We're going to be taking the challenge. as
Video,
well.
video,
I
खड़े
think
मत
we're
रहो।
going to be taking the
बैठे
challenge
रहो।
too.
I guess so.
Good luck with that.
Yes.
Okay, so I have another question to ask you. If you had to pick a moment in the day to enjoy your bowl of K-Bomb, when would you pick it to be? Post-workout, midnight cravings, or while binge watching?
चलते म्हणजे तो
Netflix
अरे
show?
लाइट खाली
Midnight
आहे वरची लाइट नाही आहे.
The spice keeps you awake and you can pay attention on the show. And
Yeah.
It's really yummy and very filling.
Wonderful, wonderful. Sounds lovely. And this is a very exciting one. Now, if you had to add a very unusual topping to K-Bomb and make this the Palak special, what would that topping be?
I don't think it's unusual, but I add Szechuan sauce a lot to my.
Wait, firstly, this is hot and spicy.
Yeah, but like
and
just
just before you
add
add some Szechuan
you know,
sauce.
like little flavor. I learned it in Medibai, by the way. this
Okay.
trick, so, yeah.
Wonderful. Okay, fantastic. Can we start the challenge that we have with all of the contest winners?
Yes, let's
Yes.
get
All right, let's get started. It's super, super hot, and I already feel bad that you guys are going to be having the hot and spicy version. So I think the tolerance level is going to be super high for
It's
that
going to be
sense.
tested, yeah.
Fantastic. Can I have all of my contest winners to kindly step forward? So I'll tell you what's going to happen. First, we're going to have the spice challenge. Then we're going to have a couple of few rounds that we're going to have of some
Nice
fun
body.
games. That they are going to participate back here. You're going to just stand there and just felicitate them. Then we're going to
बाबू
throw a couple of
कॉन्टेस्ट विनर है तो बीच में नहीं आने का।
Okay, are we ready? Yes. Alright, so Aman, I believe you are going to be taking this challenge. Aman, please come forward. So Aman is one of our contest winners. He has been waiting here since 10:30 in the morning. Okay, he's so excited to see you. And he's going to be one of the contest winners who's going to be taking the spice challenge with you. Okay, fantastic. So both of you all are going to be given one bowl of the hot.
I don't know how to use like those chopsticks, so I'm bad with it. But still, I'll try my best. Yes, it's a balance.
Well, let's see how this works, okay? So is the hot and spicy version ready? Or are we getting ready with it? Anyone in the audiences who'd like to ask Palak some questions? Raja. The king is there. Okay, wow. Is he hiding?
गुटका फ्लेवर।
I mean, Palak is so shy of you. He's literally hiding behind another camera person back there. Alright, in the meanwhile, we've got a couple of these goodies back here. Palak, तैयार हो चुका है? Ready? Okay, perfect. Let's go for it.
ए निर्देश ला पाठव रे।
Y'all can keep the energy and the enthusiasm going. Come on, please do that.
Make some noise, guys. We got the ribbon.
It's the K-Bomb ramen.
K-Bomb ramen. Let's go,
Oh
guys.
my goodness.
Make some noise.
Guys, just
ये खाली बोलो रे, खाली बोलो. नीचे आओ, नीचे. मैम, एक सेकंड, लाइट नहीं आ रहा है फेस
The
पे.
good news is, यहाँ पर we don't have chopsticks. We've got these forks back here. So hopefully it's going to be a lot more easier.
I think I'm going to win then.
You're going to win that? Palak, you can see Palak literally has tears in her eyes. I don't think anyone has managed to do that in a very, very, very long time.
Don't cry,
But
don't cry.
there is one brand that managed to do that, that is K-Bomb. Alright. Perfect. Can we have Yash and Alicia please step forward? Okay, let's do this challenge with them. Aman, आप नीचे आ जाओ, आ जाओ, आ जाओ, आ जाओ, इस तरफ आ जाइएगा. Yash, come here. Alicia, come here. You don't have to do it again. Come on, we will not do that with you again. Can we give them two versions? Okay, there you go. That's for you. Alicia, that's for you. Let's go for it. Go, 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 go. Are we ready? Okay, it's a challenge with you all as well. The same spice challenge. You're gonna cheer for them. Okay, wait, Alicia. Palak, who do you think is gonna win? Okay, so I'm going to support Yash back here. Okay, let's do this. All right, at the count of 3, 2, 1, let's go for it!
Come on.
Oh my goodness, Yash has gone for the entire mosque at a go. But she's doing good. Oh my goodness. Finish him off.
Super over now.
Can we have these teas, please, back here? Our wonderful, too young. Congratulations, guys. I can't decide who the winner is. Although I think he's got a tad bit, like, a bit ahead of time. Yeah. Palak, I want you to give these across to our wonderful. I'm going to take this to you. Thank you.
एक राजा
Do we have Astitva back here? I've been looking for you. You look absolutely wonderful. Alright, so you know Palak, we've got another contest here, Astitva. He's got some fun questions to ask you. Are you ready for it? Alright, perfect, let's go for it.
Should I come up or what?
I think I'll come when we have you.
Come back.
एक नंबर.
Hi Palak, Astitva Batra here. How are you feeling?
How do you feel?
Spicy?
Yes, extremely spicy.
I am feeling spicy too. So I have some fun questions for you. Recently you went to Maldives, right? So what's your favorite cuisine whenever you go outside?
I like to keep it very light. So I would say like salads or fries are always a great option, which is it's not light though. Or like a nice soup, it keeps you light, you can swim around more.
What's your favorite ramen topping? Like something that you absolutely love?
I really like oregano. Chili flakes, I think that just makes it a bit pizza-y. So I think that's what it's called.
You like your Italian to be Indian?
Always.
Always. So would you like to have K-bomb in dinner or in breakfast? Both. Okay.
For the stomach, but
Yeah. Night, I think.
yeah, night.
Spicy or less spicy? Can you handle spice?
K-bomb, yeah.
K-bomb. Let's make some noise for K-bomb. Woo! Okay. So last and final question. On a scale of 1 to 10, how spicy do you think K-bomb is?
I think it's an 11. It's not.
11. Yes, and make some noise for Palak Tiwari. Officially good. Thank you so much, Palak. Nice meeting you. Astitva here. Thank you so much.
I'm going to take this one. Astitva, we'd like to give you a goodie as well. Can I have, Palak, if you could just give this over to take selfie with all of them.